Alright, welcome back to Software Engineering Innovation. Specifically, I just want to welcome each and every one of you and also appreciate God for giving me the privilege and wisdom to be uploading this video right now. Also, I really appreciate God for you out there that is watching this video. Alright, a quick one. I just want to be sharing my first script language as a junior dev in Nigeria. Alright, when God finally revealed to me to start learning software engineering, learning programming specifically, I was really excited, right? Because I was in computer science. I'm studying computer science at National Open University in Nigeria, right? So when God gave me the wisdom to start learning programming, I was really excited and ready to go in, right? And there was a big mistake which I made. That is the reason, the whole idea of me making this video, so that you out there that is inspiring to to become a junior dev or go into software engineering, for you to make this mistake, right? Because of the enormous information out there concerning software engineering, I made a mistake, right? What was that mistake? I went to choose Python, to start learning Python, as it means that I have no experience, me that I have no idea concerning software engineering. So I started learning Python, and that was a big mistake. Please don't get me wrong, you can choose Python, you can start learning Python if you know you are comfortable with it. But for you out there that is starting from scratch, that is from if you're a beginner, I don't really advise you. I won't advise you to start with Python, right? The best script language to start with as a beginner or as someone who is aspiring to become a software engineer in 2026 is HTML, because that was also my first script language. Because when I started learning Python, the truth was that I did not understand anything. Like when they were talking about functions, talking about arrays, honestly speaking, those were just like, although I was just following the tutorial, right? But I was not understanding anything until God so kind, I stumbled on a video on YouTube that talk about the best roadmap to become a front-end developer. And when I go through it, I saw that HTML was the perfect choice to start with if you want to start with any script language, especially if you want to become a web developer, right? HTML is the best, because do you know why? HTML is the skeleton, that is the building block of all web pages out there all over the world. HTML is the building block. It's what you are going to use over and over again. Right now, by God's grace, I'm a React developer. I write React codes, and guess what? Inside React, I'm over writing HTML, right? That's why the advice to you out there is that start with HTML, and I bet you that you are going to do yourself a great favor, because honestly speaking, right now I'm enjoying it. It's working out for me, and I know that you out there listening to this right now, if you start with HTML, I bet you are going to tell yourself, and it will just keep you going, right? So I really appreciate you. Thank you very much for listening to this, and as you do, may God richly help us. Please subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be, in my next video, I'm going to be uploading some of the projects that I've built with HTML. So I just really hope that